So I did not even remove the delivery box, you know, like this is the box as it arrived to me yesterday. I actually woke up to pay this. It arrived during the noon, but I was still asleep because I did a video on the day before, okay? So I'm going to start by doing some clean cuts, like no struggle, no push. Do you guys want to hear the ASMR of me cutting the box? I'm not sure if the noise gate will actually allow this, but if you do, let me know, you know. I will not brute force anything. I just put the tiniest amounts of pressure, always, you know. I don't want to damage what is inside the box, even though it's probably very well saved, to be honest. Now, this box is ready to be opened. It has those two things which we're going to break, okay? If it allowed this to pop, I apologize, I will break this. Ooh. Ooh. I love breaking those shit, man. And then I will throw it away and I will keep the receipt in case we need this, we need to return this, or for its warranty, you know? And then we will proceed with the main product, which of course is the Elgato HD60 X, the game capture card. And there it is. Now, I have a cat, which means the box is not going to go away for the time being. I will put it here. And I believe Noisy will just go and try to sniff the box or potentially get in the box, you know? Like cats do this, we're not going to deny her the pleasure. Yes, immediately. Let me show you guys. Like, the moment I put the box on the side is the moment that my cat goes to sniff and nuzzle against the box. She will probably get inside. We will have to see about this a bit later. For the time being, we have this particular package right here, which was made in Taiwan. Alright, it was made in Taiwan. Alright, guys. That's what you get, China. Fuck you, you know? So, what I'm seeing here is that the open is up there. I don't have to cut anything, I believe. Like, there will be no effort. I'm going to close my pocket knife and put it in the side. And then I will start by removing this. Yeah, this was satisfactory. A very good seal, in my opinion. Like, simple and effective. Now I'm gonna open. Let me show you like this. You open, alright? Alright. Let's see what we have in here. I'm going to try to put, as always, the tiniest amount of effort. Thank God for my super long ass fucking nails in these two fingers. I'm going to be using these two in order to try to... Yes! Effective. Very effective. Yo, Antu, hello! So, it just slides out of the box. It's really no effort needed. Like, zero effort. What are we unboxing? We are unboxing Elgato HD60 X, the new game capture card, which, well, not really new, it's been out for a few months now, which we will be using to play Elden Ring from PS4, you know? Now, this is not sealed, so this is an actual box. You can just fucking open it like this, you know, very easy. And here you have the guidelines of what you're supposed to do. Let me show you guys how the box is. So it arrived with this in here, right? And like this, it was closed like a little book, you know? So you open the book, you remove the cover, which I'm supposed is there to keep the Elgato capture card from being dusted. You know, ooh, that was not a good thing to do in the first unboxing. Holy shit. Anyway, let me just put it back in. Damn, that's how you break the capture card. Now, as for the things right here, they are the directions of what you're supposed to do. What is this? Tablet. No. Allow me to explain. I will play Elden Ring on the PS4. But I don't want to stream it from the PS4 because I don't have OBS. You cannot have OBS in the PS4. You cannot have all these gadgets we have here. So even though I will be playing it on the PS4 Pro, I need to stream it on my computer. So what do I need? I need the device that will take the footage from the PS4 as I'm playing PS4 and put it on my PC so that my PC in turn can stream it. So that's how it works. Like it will capture the display of the PS4, take it on the PC and broadcast it to you guys via the OBS software, sorry. Now, here, as I showed you guys before, we have, it tells you how to connect between the devices you want to connect, alright? Yeah, now you understand. That's good, Mr. Antu. Now, I see that we have two cables, alright? One of them is an HDMI cable, and one of them is a USB-C type of cable. You guys can see the USB-C over here. It's golden. It does not have the difference that a USB-A has, you know, like where the top one is smaller than the bottom one. It doesn't matter. And you can see the blue thing in here. That blue, I don't know if you guys can see, if it's clear actually, if it shows clearly. But the blue thing in here indicates that this is a USB 3.0, which is why there is so low latency when it comes to the 30 milliseconds that I called before, that I mentioned before, to capturing and releasing. So this is the capture card. This thing costs about, I bought it 180 euros. Sorry, I apologize for the stuttering. Now, what I'm seeing here is that this is a very small product. This is a very light product, though not too light that would undermine its quality. You know, I like the plastic, to be honest. Like, it's not cheap ass plastic that you just, you know, when you feel cheap plastic that, you know, that if it falls down it's gonna break. If this thing falls down, I am a bit hopeful that it actually will not break. So it has two HDMI inputs, the HDMI in from what I'm seeing here and the HDMI out, and it has the USB-C cable. So I'm guessing that the USB-C cable will be I'm not sure. I'm guessing that the USB-C cable will be connected to the computer, actually. I have no idea. And then the HDMI out should go to the display, because this is where it's going to be playing, and the HDMI in should be taken from the PlayStation. Maybe I'm wrong. We will read the guidelines, to be honest, alright? What is this thing right here? Important safety instructions. So we don't like safety in this channel, so I'm not going to read this. This is a sticker, I'm guessing. Yes, it is a sticker. By the way, Elgato did not give this to me. Like, this is not sponsored. Nothing is sponsored here. Like, I'm just fucking, you know, opening it. I bought it and I like it. From what I'm seeing here, it shows that it is compatible with Switch, with PS5, with Xbox Series X. It does not show PS4 and PS4 Pro, like you cannot see it right here, though I know for a fact that it is compatible. So there you guys have it. Like, we're going to box it back in, you know, because I'm not really sure how to set this shit up, you know. So we'll just put this thing back in here, you know, and give you one final look of how it arrived. If I can actually close it the same way I opened it. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Okay, we're good. Hold up. Was it like this? It was like this. My guide and my advice when you guys are unboxing something is always not to put any pressure onto anything, you know? It needs to close the same way it opened. It needs to be, you need to be very, very careful as to not damage the ingredients of the box, which is not drop it, even though I did manage to drop it. So the box would look like this, sealed again, you know? Of course, this thing has now opened. I like that it does not, it needs some pressure to be kept closed. You know, like this is why the seal was up here. The seal would keep it closed, and this is how it is. I like how when it's clear that this product was opened. Let me go fetch another box and I will show you guys what I mean. This is the box of the Elgato Facecam, alright? And now, what am I trying to show you here? Why did I bring the Elgato Facecam, you know? The Elgato Facecam, the way it opened, it was not sealed like this, you know? It was sealed by those two stickers. You can see this thing glowing right there. So I took my knife and I cut clean into this side, and I cut clean into this side, and then I opened it. Here's a problem though. I could just remove those stickers and I could put some new stickers on it and sell it for a new product. Now this is a scam, of course, but let's not kid ourselves. It's something that can happen. So what I'm trying to say is that Elgato did a very good thing to make it evident that the box has been, well, unsealed, you know? Now, first of all, why HD60 X and why not HD60 Plus? They're both out there, okay? Now, in the Elgato website, you can find the HD60 Plus for 180 euros, whereas you will find the HD60 X for about the price of 200 euros. Now, what does this mean? It means that you can save some money if you buy it from the website. However, this price tag can change varying on your country. For example, in my country, I managed to buy this thing for 180 euros already, which is, you know, lower than what the Elgato website is selling it, you know? And I would find the HD60 Plus for 170 euros, 180 euros, like around the same price tag. So it doesn't really make any sense for me to buy the previous version for 10 euros cheaper, you know? If it was $100, I would buy the Elgato HD60 Plus. Something else I want to say here is that the Elgato HD60 capture card, which was the first model that came out, is now discontinued, so never buy it. If anyone wants to buy a capture card, it's either the HD60 Plus, the HD60 X, or the HD60 Pro, and then we're going into 4K gameplay. Like, I would not advise you guys to buy the HD60 Pro unless you want to game specifically and stream specifically at 4K, you know? Like, capturing the picture at 4K and then stream and then broadcasting it to Twitch. Twitch limits you at 6000 kbps up speed, you know? Which is ideal for 1080 60, not 4K. For 4K, you need more up speed, you know? And Twitch just doesn't allow this, you know? Now, if it is for YouTube videos and you want to broadcast it at 4K, that's an entirely different thing. Though I would make sure that in this case that your gaming PC is actually a beast, that your monitor is actually a beast. We're talking about a lot of money here, folks. It's not something I would do. And yeah, that pretty much sums the unboxing of the HD60 X. Hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, presentation or something. I didn't do anything, like I just opened the box for you guys. I also dropped the game capture card. Please, for your sake, do not drop the game capture card. It might be sensitive, it might do some damage, like we don't want this to happen. I'm a stupid ass bitch for doing this, you know? But yeah, this is the unboxing I had in store for you guys